Okay, this is the answer to the urea question. If you work out the formula mass of urea, you end up with a value that's 60. So therefore there's 2 nitrogens, so there's 2 nitrogens, 2 times 14 in the formula, divided by 60 times 100, and that gives you a value of 46.7%, which is quite a large amount, which is why urea is used as a fertilizer. So if you add 1 ton of urea, then you are adding 1 times 0.467, which is 0.467 tons of nitrogen, or a better way of doing it is 467 kilos of nitrogen.